Welcome back to the channel. This is Betsy Goodman from Be Goods Lettering. I'm so excited to show you this super cute happy birthday confetti card. So these are super easy and fun to make. Let me show you. So first we're starting with some vellum paper, and I'm just trimming this down to be 4 inches by 4 inches. So I'm using my Friskers paper cutter. It's just the one I have, but any paper cutter you want, or even just scissors, will work just fine. But we just want to get down to a 4 by 4 square. I've got 2 of them here, and we're going to move over and start using this punch pocket press. And I'm actually missing the little blade portion of this. So there's a little blade that attaches, so it will just cut off these corners, but I don't know what happened to it. So I'm just using this as a guide to trace on those areas that would be cut normally with the tool. And I'm just going to use some scissors and do a quick cut and get all of those corners cut. And with this tool, it comes with a little instruction guide, so it tells you what size to cut your paper, and then it will tell you where to put those little green rectangular things that go in little holes that are like the guides, and then you can fold your envelope. So you can then just use this bone folder tool to create a crease, and then it's going to make it easier to fold. But I love this little tool because it comes with all different sizes of envelopes and different shapes and sizes, and so it's super fun. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of really finalize these folds. So I'm just folding it over, getting it with my finger, and then going over it with this bone folder tool that came with the pocket punch press. So just getting all these sides down, but it just makes a super cute little mini envelope. And again, there's just so many sizes you can do with that tool, so I love it so much. From here, I thought my glue dot runner would work, but I'm just using double-sided tape. I had to cut it down. And I just punched some little circles out of some colored cardstock. I did purple and green, and I used a 3/8 inch hole punch size. And then from there you can close it and you can see the confetti that will kind of shake around. Now we need to make our sills. We're using a low temp glue gun. I've got this seafoam green, and I'm pressing with the happy birthday stamp, and I'm going to allow it to cool for about 30 seconds, and then I can remove it. And next I'm going to be doing a purple. So again, I just want to pour, and you want your wax to be kind of billowy. You don't want it too runny. You want it to hold its shape, and then press. And you can see I've got some bubbles in these. If I would have been thinking, I would have had a lighter next to me to pop those bubbles with the heat, but I'm still going to use them. We're next going to put a teeny tiny dot of hot glue on this little paper clip, and then we just put our wax sill over the top. And I'm doing this on top of parchment paper so that when it's cooled, I can remove it. So it comes off super easy, but you can see that the wax seal is now attached to the clip, so it becomes like a little wax seal clip. It's so cute. These are so fun to use in a lot of different ways, but we're going to be using them on this little happy birthday card. These clips are just from Amazon. That's where I got them, but I love using them for the gold and their shape. They're super cute. Next, we're just going to take our wax seal clips and we're going to clip it onto our vellum envelope with confetti. And they're just so cute. I feel like you could potentially leave it like this. You could put a little note inside of there. Could be so fun to include that inside, a little hidden note. But from here, for me, I'm just going to put it on a little card. So I just got some floral paper here, and it's where you can fold it open so you can add a little note inside. But I'm just going to use some double-sided tape to attach the envelope, press it down, and then I've got this cute little card. I'm going to do the same thing with the other one, and I just tried to match my papers with my confetti with my sealing wax colors, so you can just use whatever you have on hand, whatever works, but these ones turned out really cute with kind of fun spring happy colors for this time of year. But this is how they turned out. They're so cute, so easy to do. Let me know if you try this, and let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to follow along for more wax seal and lettering and crafting tips.